Hello friends, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do hologram effect inside Blender. Here we have a Spider-Man model with animation data. Let's change this into hologram. Go to shader editor, add a new shader, delete the principled shader, add a mixed shader, add an emission and a transparent shader. Connect the transparent and emission to the mixed shader, go to options, change blend mode to alpha blend and shadow mode to none, add a layer weight node, connect the facing to factor, connect the mixed shader to the surface, insert a color ramp, change linear to B-spline, move the black color to the right, increase the strength in the emission shader to 40. Go to world properties, change the background color to black. Go to render properties and enable bloom. Add a Voronoi texture, add a texture coordinate node, connect the object to vector. Add a color ramp, connect the Voronoi texture to the color ramp, flip the color ramp. Change linear to constant, move the black color to the left. Add a mix node, change flow to color. Change mix to multiply. Connect the color ramps to the mix node. Increase the factor to 1. Connect the result to the factor. Reduce the randomness to 0, increase the scale value to 150. Change the emission color as your wish. Duplicate the mix node, and insert it, add a geometry node, connect the back facing to factor. Change the color B to gray. This is my final node setup. You can take a screenshot. Now we going to create light beam effect. Add a cylinder. Go to edit mode. Delete the top and bottom faces. Add a new shader. Delete the principled shader. Add a transparent shader and emission shader. Add a mixed shader. Connect the transparent and emission to the mixed shader, connect the mixed shader to surface. Add a noise texture, add a color ramp. Connect the color to factor. Increase the scale to 400. Enable Node Wrangler add-on. Select Noise Texture, and click Ctrl-T. Connect the UV to vector. Connect the color to factor. Go to options, change blend mode to alpha blend and shadow mode to none. Go to mapping node, enter 0 in the y-axis, in the scale. Go to the edit mode, select cylinder, grab it in the z-axis, make sure that the origin point stays in the bottom of the cylinder. Select the bottom vertices, and scale it in. Select the top vertices and scale it out. Go to object mode. Move the cylinder down. Go to the edit mode. Align the top vertices to the level of the hands of the Spider-Man, select the top vertices, and assign it into a new vertex group. Add a shrink wrap modifier. and select the Spider-Man as the target. Select the vertex group. We have some shading issues. To rectify that, we want to add a subdivision surface modifier and increase the subdivision level to 2 or 3. Duplicate the cylinder, and scale it in the Z-axis. Go to Shader Editor, add a gradient texture, add a mix node, change flow to color and change mix to multiply, increase the factor to 1, select the gradient texture, and click Ctrl-T. Connect the object to the vector, connect the gradient texture to color A. Enter 90 degrees in the Y-axis. Connect the color ramp to the color B. Connect the mix node to the factor. Connect the gradient to surface to preview it, insert a color ramp, flip the color ramp. Enter 0.1, in the mapping node for now. We will change it later. Change linear to B-spline, move the black color to the left. Connect the color ramp to the color A. Connect the mix shader to the surface. Adjust the black color in the color ramp. Increase the strength to 10. Do some adjustment in the node setup. Select the exact color for the light beam. Duplicate the cylinder and scale it in the Z-axis. Enter 0.08 in the scale. I entered the exact hex value in the light beam. This is my final node setup. You can take a screenshot. I already did the hologram projector. Add a point lamp. Grab it down. Increase the power to 1000. We want to enter same hex value in the lamp color. Duplicate the lamp and place it in the middle of the Spider-Man model. Add a plane and scale it. If you liked this video, give a like to this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. See you in the next video.